Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 7th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down because if the 4 hour time frame is going to continue to trend, that means it would have to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So, this potentially could go up, make another lower high, and continue this move down. If this really is a wave five, this needs to maintain lower lows, lower highs. If this move right here is actually a crescent to this move up, then it would become very overlapping and very corrective, overlapping waves. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last one, two, three, four, five waves down. I definitely would not be going short now. I would be going short on a pullback. I would want to see at least a 38% pullback up to a 78% pullback. Potentially maybe even a three-way pullback would be nice, if it did something like this, took out like the high of this wave four, maybe the 50 or the 61%. That would potentially be a really nice another setup to go short for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend potentially. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.